Good morning, students. Already we have finished the first lesson. Today we are going to see the second lesson. The lesson is the ant and the grasshopper. Before we go into the story, first we will see some insects. They have given some insects name here. We will see. First one, ant. Second one, mosquito. Third, housefly. Fourth one, butterfly. The next, ladybird. And the next, bee. All these insects we can see around us, isn't it? We'll go to the story. See, it was a bright day in summer. The story was happening in the summer. How the day was bright day. Okay, it's too hot. A green little grasshopper was hopping about merrily in a field. Hopping means jumping. Okay, hopping means jumping, and merrily means happily. What the grasshopper is doing? The grasshopper was hopping happily in a field. When we feel happy, what we will do? We will sing, we will dance, we will do something what we like. Like that, the grasshopper also hopping about merrily in a field. The grasshopper singing. Okay, happily it was hopping and singing. It was chirping and singing to itself without a care in the world. How the grasshopper was feeling? It doesn't care anything in the world. Just it feel very happy and it was chirping and singing. Even the grasshopper is singing to itself. To itself means namakku namale. When we feel happy or something else, while we are doing the work what we like, usually in the home you can see your mother or sister, somebody else, they may sing and doing the cooking in the kitchen. Like that, the grasshopper also singing. Soon it saw ants passing by. At the time what it was see, it saw some ants. Passing by means the ants were crossing the grasshopper. The ants were dragging home grains with great difficulty. What the ants were doing? The ants were dragging. Dragging means pulling with difficulty. When we have more weight, we can't, if we can't lift the weight, means what we will do? We will drag through floor. Drag means அப்படியே கஷ்டப்பட்டு நம்ம இழுத்துட்டு போகிறது. நம்மளால் தூக்க முடியாத ஒரு வெயிட், அதை நம்ம கஷ்டப்பட்டு இழுத்துட்டு போகிறது. That is dragging. Dragging home grains with great difficulty. Grains means it's a food item, like wheat, rice, like that. So what happened? Compared to the ant, the grain is too weight. So what happened? Though the ants were dragging, the ants were difficultly dragging the grain to their home. Okay, you seem to be working very hard. Now the grasshopper speak with the ant, one of the ant. You seem to be working very hard. Why not come and chat with me? Chat means talk. The grasshopper said, you are all working very hard. Why are you working too hard? Why can't you come and talk with me? Said the grasshopper to one ant. Why don't you enjoy the bright summer's day? Why are you wasting your time to working very hard? Why can't you come and enjoy with me? Like that, the grasshopper said. For that, what the ant replied, see, I am helping to store food for the winter. Said the ant, you should also do the same. What the ant replied to the grasshopper, I am helping to store food for the winter. Now this is summer time, but the ant is thinking about the future. When winter comes, what will happen? The climate is too cool, we can't come out. The ant can't come out for the food. Sometimes it may rain. At that time what it will do? So for that, the ant is storing food. It is helping to store food, not alone for itself alone, for the whole ants. You should also do the same. It advised the grasshopper also to save food for the winter. For that, what the grasshopper said, see, why bother about winter? Said the grasshopper. Bother means worry. Why should I worry about the winter? We have got plenty of food now. The grasshopper is thinking the present situation alone. It doesn't think about the future. What it said, we have got plenty of food now. Now I have more food now. Why should I work hard? Like that, the grasshopper said. But the ant went on its way doing its work. So the ant was getting bored. The grasshopper is not understanding what the ant was said to the grasshopper. So suddenly the ant went on its way. You do something, I will do my work. Like that, the ant also moved on its way. When winter came, the grasshopper had no food. Now what is happening? See, it doesn't save anything for the future, isn't it? So the grasshopper now, it doesn't have food and found itself dying of hunger. Dying of hunger means அப்படியே பசியில் நம்ம செத்துடலாம் போல இருக்கு. Like that we will say, no? Like that it felt. The ants happily ate up the grains from the store they had collected in the summer. See, this is the main thing. How the ants feel happy? Why the ants were happy? Because they stored the food during the summer time. So now they ate the grains from the store they had collected in the summer. How cute it is. Then the grasshopper knew why the ant had worked so hard on a bright summer's day. Now after that only, that grasshopper realized why should we store. We have to save something for our future. When we have more enough, we should save for our future. If we didn't save anything, if we have to face something, at that time we may not have anything. So when we have a time, we should save something for our future. After the incident only, the grasshopper felt like that. So we also should save something for our future. In this story, we should learn the another one moral also. What does that means? The ant was storing food not alone for itself, even it is helping to the another ants also, not like a human being. So we should also do like this ant. Okay, thank you.